Okay, we're going to take this up for a little fly. This is a little four motor quadcopter which has a fair old size controller. It takes 6 batteries, 6 AA's, and they're not included, but that should give this thing an absolute decent range. Is there an aerial in there? Let's see, hold on a second. No. Anyway, you could take it apart and extend the aerial up. But anyway, big motors this little drone's got. It's only 33 grams with the battery, and it should have some performance. There is a speed, so you've got 3 speeds, 1, 2 and 3. So I'll put it in 2 for the moment. Let's take it up. Now, it's quite hard to control this drone. It's not the easiest, but at the end of the day it gives you some practice. Woof! That nearly hit. I'm in danger of losing it out.